With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the students, in this question we have to find the condition that the curves 2x is equal to y square and 2xy is equal to k will intersect orthogonally. Okay student. So let's say, let me draw first these two intersecting curves. Okay. So let's say these are two intersecting curves. Okay student. So see, this is my curve 1 and this is my curve 2 intersecting at a point x1 comma y1. Okay student. And let's say this is the tangent drawn to this curve 1 as t1 at this point x1 comma y1 and the tangent at the second curve as t2. Okay. As these curves are intersecting orthogonally, these tangents will be perpendicular to each other as well. Okay. Now we can find the slope of this tangent through this curve equation. Okay. So see, first equation is 2x is equal to y square. Okay. Now let me differentiate this. So this is will giving me 2 dx is equal to 2y dy. Okay. So from here I am getting dy by dx as what? See, this 2 to cancel and this will be giving me 1 by y. Okay. But we have to find the slope at this point x1 comma y1. Okay. So slope at that point x1 comma y1 will be equal to 1 upon y1. Okay. So my slope 1, which will be m1, is 1 by y1. Okay. Now see, if I differentiate my other function, okay, which is what? Which is this 2xy is equal to k. Okay student, this is my second curve. Let differentiate this also. So this will give me dxy plus xty equal to differentiation of k will be 0. Okay. So this will be giving me dxy plus x dy equal to 0. Okay. So this will be giving me what? This will be giving me the value of dy by dx to be equal to what? To be equal to minus y by x. Okay, but we have to find at the point x1 comma y1. Okay, so at the point x1 comma y1, this slope will be equal to minus y1 upon x1. Okay, this is my second slope. Okay. Now see, as these two tangents are perpendicular, so their slope, which is m1 into m2, should, the product of them should give me minus 1. Okay. So m1 I am getting as 1 by y1 and m2 is I am getting as minus y1 upon x1. This will be equal to minus 1. Okay. So this will be giving me what? This will be giving me this y1 will cancel. Okay. So this will be giving me x1 as 1. Okay. So I have found the value of my intersection point abscissa. Okay. Now I can find my ordinate as well. Okay. So for that I can use my curve equation 2x is equal to y square. Okay. So putting that point here, so this will give me 2x1 is equal to y1 square. Okay. So from here I will be getting, after substituting x1 as 1, so this will be giving me y1 square as 2. Okay. So the y1 will be what? Plus minus under root 2. Okay students. So this will be the point of intersection of these two curves. Okay. Now see, we have, see, this point is in both the curves, so it will satisfy equation of both the curve. Okay. So let me now satisfy this point in this curve equation, which is 2xy is equal to k. Okay. So 2xy is equal to k. Okay. So as this point is on this curve, so it will satisfy this curve equation. So I can write 2x1 y1 is equal to k. Okay. So let me square this. Okay. So this will be giving me 4x1 square y1 square is equal to k square. Okay. Now see, x1 we have found to be 1 and y1 square we have found to be 2. Okay. Now let me substitute here. So this will be giving me 4 into 1 into 2 to be equal to k square. Okay. So this will be the required condition for these two curves to be intersecting orthogonally. Okay. So hope you understand the solution. Thank you. Okay.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.